Here's how you can download files from Mega on your PC. So if you've been given a shared folder link, or if you've got files or folders inside of your Mega drive, then you can go ahead and double click on the folder. And if you want to individually download files, you can right click on the file and you can then click on download. Here you can download standard or as a zip file. It will then download using the Mega downloader, and then it's going to ask you where you want to save it to, and you can save it to your downloads. If you want to download more than one, you can go ahead and click and hold left click and then drag to highlight the files you want to download. Alternatively, hold down Control and then click on the files. Here you can then right click download and click download as a zip file. Or if you just wanted to download the whole file, you can go ahead and find that file in your drive, right click, and you can then go to download and download as a zip file. I hope that video helped.